So welcome for today's class of English grammar. So today's question is change the voice of the following sentences by choosing and writing the correct alternatives given below each sentences. Okay. So the cat ate a fish. Change the voice. So here option B is the correct option. Let me directly write down. Okay. The fish was eaten by the cat. Okay. This is the way you all have to change the voice. Okay. Next question is Virat is throwing the ball. Change the voice now. Option D will be the correct option. The ball is being thrown by Virat. Okay, here the option D is the correct option. The ball is being thrown by Virat. Next, moving towards the next question. Okay, I bought a Honda car. Change the voice. Option C will be the correct option. A Honda car was bought by me. Okay, next question will be my sister has drawn this portrait. Change the voice. Okay. Here option A will be the correct option. This portrait has been drawn by my sister. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to change the voice of the following sentences by choosing the correct answer, and thanks for watching.